Hello guys, welcome to the video. So for this video, I'm gonna tell you a tutorial on how to make a LAN cable, specifically a crossover cable. But before we dive in, let's quickly go over what a LAN cable actually is. A LAN cable is a cable that used to be built in a local area network, or we call it LAN, which connects computers and devices within the same building or room, like a computer, lab, or an internet cafe, and etc. Unlike power cables that need tall poles for installation, LAN cables are designed for indoor use. They're super easy to set up and usually connect computers via a hub or switch. The type of cable typically used for LAN is a twisted pair cable, and there are two main kinds of twisted pair cable. The first one is STP, or shielded twisted pair, and the second one is UTP, or unshielded twisted pair. Most people use UTP cable because they are simple and get the job done. To sum it up, LAN cable is a made using twisted paired wires and RJ5 connectors. What is a cross cable? A cross cable is a network cable that connects two devices with the same function and it has different cable arrangement at each end. For example, like router to router, computer to another computer, and etc. Cable color arrangements. As you may know, each cable has two different edges, and two of the edges has two different color arrangement as well. For like example, cross cable number 1, the pattern is orange white, orange, green white, blue, blue white, green, brown white, and not brown. And the other side of the cable, or we call it cross cable 2, it starts with green white, green, orange and white, blue, blue and white, orange, brown and white, and brown. Okay, so I'm gonna tell you how to exactly make the cross LAN cable. So for the thing that you need to have is the UTP cable itself, yeah, the cable, and the second one is the crimping tool, and the last one is connector RJ45. Use a crimping tool to strip for about 2 centimeters at the edge of both of the cable. So after you cut the edge of the cable, you need to untwist each of the cable so you can arrange it easier later. So the next step is you need to arrange the wires according to the color as I mentioned before, like this picture. After you done arranging all the color, you need to tighten the cable. So after the cable is tight and tidy, the next step you want to do is cut the wires evenly to make sure that they'll fit nicely into the RJ45 connectors. So slide the wires into the RJ45 connectors carefully and make sure that the cable is stay in the correct order, and push them all the way to the end, just like that. Put the RG45 connectors into the crimping tool and press firmly to secure the wires in place. So this is how the cross cable look after you've done all the following steps as I mentioned before. And repeat this process for the other end of the cable. So because this is a cross cable, it has two different color arrangement for both ends, and this is the color arrangement for the other edges. And after we've done all the following steps for both of the cable, plug in the cable LAN into a LAN cable tester. And if the cable that you made was successful, it will show you different arrangement of number between the left one and the right one, like in this video. And as simple as that, we've successfully made a cross cable. Thank you for watching and goodbye.